Quick little job you might like to do sometime. We can put a clothes wire from this awning arm down to this awning arm. So I've just went to Bunnings today, got this little kit here. They have silver and chrome and black, but this is stainless steel painted black, $13.50 I think. And then I got a coil of wire. I got stainless steel, you can get cheaper of course. It's just because it's a little darker, thought it would look nicer, so it's a bit of a bird nest there, so should be all the bits you need. I'm just going to fit it and I'll do another video shortly. Meant to say the wire, the stainless wire is $24, so all up we're under $40 for all these bits. So this kit, I think I'm just going to hook that straight on one end. I won't use the thimble. I should put the thimble there and then the thimble at the other end around that. Crimps, screws all in there. So I've just cut the tips of the screws off with side cutters. It comes through right now, a bit of clearance. There's no movement in this side to side, so all good. So I decided to put this on the front, so had to undo those screws and slip the thimble on. That's all crimped, and now I've got the back one set up here, just clamped with vice grips. So I pull that tight and we're good there. So I'm gonna crimp this one now. So this is the only tools I've used: 3mm drill bit, Phillips screwdriver for the screws that were supplied, side cutters to open the packaging and cut the screw heads, and I'll cut the wire once I've done. And the vice grips, quite helpful just to hold that wire nice and tight. The trickiest bit might be the crimps. I've used my fencing pliers, but they're not really big enough, and I think the crimp's okay, but there might be one thing you'll need to get some big crimpers. So maybe don't set up in the garden or too close to the garden like I have, but got it done easy enough. Now I've kept this a bit of distance away just to allow for this to all roll up and keep clear of everything. I just matched the other side. I didn't use a tape measure, just a screwdriver as a measuring stick. So that's all tightened up. Can't really see. I've got plenty of adjustments still in there. Wire's looking good. Right, job's done. Tighten that up, just not too tight. I don't want to put too much load on the awning arm. Probably in hindsight be a good idea to just take a little more caution. I've lucked it, but so you don't want to go too close. Let that awning, probably doesn't need as much room as I've given it, but there's not a lot of room there. But you want to clear these supports and but also be high enough to clear the door. So I got lucky. Now what I'm not sure about, don't think that's going to hit the wall travel. You can tighten it up a bit more. So good little job.